Are you looking to create a gig on Fiverr with little competition or open a new account on Fiverr? I will help you find a job that doesn't require a computer or laptop. You can easily earn from your old or new mobile phone by just copy and paste. You don't need any work experience. You can earn a lot of money simply by copy paste. Whether you are a student or a housewife, and you can easily transfer your earning balance to your local bank account. So watch the video till the end for this unique working tutorial. So let's get started.
First, search for Fiverr.com. Many of you know that Fiverr is a popular freelancing marketplace. Gigs can be made and sold here. Fiverr is 100% genuine and free. No money is required to create an account or gig on Fiverr. And one can earn money here by doing many types of small jobs. Then scroll down. Then place the mouse cursor on Programming and Tech. Now click on Browser Extensions from Software Development. As you can see here, the competition is very low, but the job demand is very high. Then click on Online Seller. See, the competition is even lower. Buyers hire sellers who are active online. You'll see that your chances of getting a job are many times higher. Then scroll down and see that everyone is getting lots of work, everyone has completed lots of work, and their new gigs are also working and earning money. If you have an account open on Fiverr, then click on Sign In, and if you are new, click on Join. Here, you can open an account with Google, Facebook, etc. Opening an account on Fiverr is very easy. So I will not show you how to open an account. Create an account very easily. If not, there are many videos about this on YouTube. Then log into Fiverr, click on My Business and click on Gigs. Then click on Create a New Gig. Now you have to give the title of the gig first. I am giving a demo title. If you don't give me the same title, then Fiverr will not rank your gig. Then select Software Developer in the category. Then select Browser Extensions under Service Type. Then select the gig metadata as you like. Then the very important thing here is tag placement. Here, you can place a total of 5 tags. These tags will help rank your gig. I am placing 5 tags. You will research the content and set 5 tags. Then save it. Here, you can create 3 packages for your pricing. I am now naming the 3 packages and filling them with descriptions, etc. Then you can add extra services and charge extra for them. Then save it. Then please give a description of how you work, what services you provide, when you work, and how many ideas you have. I'm copying and pasting. Read them carefully, and here you can add frequently questions and answers. Then save it. Here you add all the things you want from the buyer to work. Then save it. Here you can add 3 images for the gig, add a video, or add 2 documents and then save. Here, you can see your gig. Here, you can create a total of 7 gigs. Now, after getting the job, the way you can complete it by just copying and pasting for free is through ChatGPT. ChatGPT is an AI website that is completely free. Search by typing ChatGPT in Google. Then simply sign up from there. ChatGPT is free but has a pro version. You can create any type of extension from ChatGPT, and I am creating an extension for the demo for free. Here you will enter the command, and ChatGPT will give you a complete copyright-free extension. If you search for 10,000 people by writing one command, then ChatGPT will give different results to 10,000 people. You wait here until regenerate is written, and after writing regenerate, completely different new coding will come again. Then create a new folder on your desktop and name it extensions. And inside that extension folder, create a new text document. Now go to ChatGPT, copy the complete coding of the first box, and paste it into that text document. Then go to File and click on Save As, delete everything. Then go to ChatGPT and copy this text exactly and paste it here. Then save. Then close it. Then go to ChatGPT and copy the code from the second box, then paste it in the text document of that extension folder. Then go to File and click on Save As. Then go to ChatGPT and copy this text exactly and paste it here. Then save. Then close it. Then go to ChatGPT and copy the code in the third box, then paste it in the text document of that extension folder. Then go to File and click on Save As, delete everything, then go to ChatGPT and copy this text exactly and paste it here. Then save. Then close it. Then add an icon. The icon will give you the buyer. I put down an icon to show the demo. It should be in the extension folder. Then the icon must be named icon.png. Then go to the browser. Click on the three dots and click on Manage Extensions. Then click on Load Unpacked. Then select your extension folder. Your extension has been successfully added. Click on the extension icon to see if it works, then click on the newly created extension. See, very easily without coding, the extension was created in 1 minute for free. Refresh to see if it works. See it working. Now go to another window and see if it works. It works very well. In this way, you can create extensions of any design. I have created a simple one as a demo. You can make an extension of any design in 1 minute for free. Also, if you have a problem understanding how to earn easily without investment for free and how students or housewives can do part-time jobs at home, please let me know by commenting. Thank you so much for watching this video.